Wiley. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw a shark. Come on, it's really easy. Woohoo!
Draw a straight line and join it together with a half circle. Now we need 3 triangles, one on the bottom, one at the back, and another on top. Don't forget to smile. Don't forget to add some juicy teeth. And a little eye. And 3 gills. 1, 2, 3. Now you can color your shark in. We're going to use lots of blue today. Yay! It's finished! Woohoo!